All right. Hello, Assalamualaikum, and good evening. Before we start our discussion, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Nasri bin Yusof, matrix number 290098. I'm a sales team leader on Trendwheels. So next, Amirul.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Amirul Aizat bin Syamsul. My matrix number 290407 and my position in Tencel is brand awareness and marketing analyst.
Next, Akila.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Akilah Syara'in binti Ayub. Matric number 290219. I'm as Digital Marketing and Strategy Specialist.
Dan Azrin. Azrin, I can't listen your voice. Please open your voice. All right.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azrin bin Nasiruddin. My matric number is 290384 and my position is a market and competition analyst.
All right. Thank you. First and all, thank you for attending today's meeting. The purpose of this meeting is to discuss the recent decline in Trendwell's revenue. As a local startup fashion retailer, Trendwell has strong potential in the market. However, the company is currently experiencing challenges in gaining sufficient branding recognition. Therefore, the objective of today's meeting is to analyze the root cause of this issue, evaluate its impact on the company, and identify possible strategies to address the problem. So, to begin our discussion, I would like to invite Amiro to share his analysis regarding the possible cause of this issue. Amiro?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman. In my opinion, one of the main cause of Transwear declining revenue is weak brand awareness. Since Transwear is still relatively new in the fashion market, many potential customers may not yet be familiar with the brand. As a result, the company's ability to attract new customers is limited. In addition, the company's marketing exposure appears to be relatively low compared to the other fashion retailer. Many competing brands actively promote their products through popular digital platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and Shopee, allowing them to reach wider audience and engage directly with customers. However, Transwear current social media presence remains limited, which reduces its visibility in the market.
Thank you, Amirul. I would like to add another perspective regarding this issue. Apart from a weak brand awareness, Trendwear is also facing strong competition from established fashion brand. Many of these brands already have a loyal customer and a strong brand recognition. As a result, customers tend to choose brands that they are already familiar with. Without a strong definition of effective marketing strategies, it may be difficult for a Trendwear to compete with this established competition.
All right. Thank you for your insightful observation. Based on our discussion so far, it is evident that the decline in Trendwell's revenue influenced by several factors, including weak brand awareness, limited marketing exposure, and intense competition. Now that we have identified the potential cost, it is important to examine the possible impact of this issue on the company's performance. I would now like to invite Akila to elaborate on the business implication of this situation, Akila?
Thank you, Chairman. From a business perspective, declining brand awareness may lead to several negative consequences for the company. Firstly, it may result in slower customer acquisition, which directly affect sales performance and revenue growth. Secondly, declining revenue may create financial constraint, limited the company ability to invest in marketing activity, product development or operation improvement. If the situation continue, Trendwell may also lose its competitive position in the fashion market. Therefore, it is important for the company to take proactive measure to strengthen its market presence.
Thank you, Akila. To address the issue discussed earlier, several strategies could be implemented. Firstly, Transware should be strengthened its digital marketing presence, particularly on social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok, which are widely used by fashion consumer. Secondly, the company could collaborate with micro-influencers who have strong engagement with their followers. Influencer partnership can increase the brand exposure and build trust among potential customers.
I would like to further support Amirul's suggestion. In addition to digital marketing and influencer collaboration, Trendware could organize a promotional campaign such as a limited time discount, seasonal sales, or exclusive product launch. These promotional activities can generate customer interest and encourage purchasing behavior. Furthermore, developing a stronger and a clearer brand identity is essential. When customers understand what made a brand unique, they are more likely to remember it and remain loyal to the brand.
Okay, I agree with the strategy discussion. By implementing digital marketing initiative, influencer collaboration and promotion campaigns, Trendwell can significantly improve its brand visibility. At the same time, strengthening the company brand identity will help different Trendwell from competitor in the market. If the strategy are implemented effective, Trendwell will have greater potential to attract new customer and improve its sales performance.
Right. Thank you. Thank you everyone for your valuable contribution. To summarize today's discussion, the decline in Trendware's revenue is mainly influenced by weak brand awareness, limited marketing exposure, and strong competition from the established fashion brands. So to overcome this challenge, the team recommends strengthening digital marketing strategy, and then collaborating with influencers, and then implementing promotion campaign, and developing a stronger brand visibility. We believe this initiative will improve Trendware's visibility, attract more customers, and support long-term business growth. So thank you for your participant. So this meeting concluded. This concluded our meeting. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum.
Yes.
Thank
Waalaikumsalam.
you.
Thank you.